All right, so today we are going to continue with section 10.6 notes. So yesterday we factored things that looked like ax squared plus bx plus c, and today we are going to be solving them. So again, very similar to 10.5, solving means you get an answer. So x equals blank, not just two binomials. So your steps follow similar. You're going to factor, make sure you reduce. You will not get the correct answer if you don't reduce those binomials. Then you're going to set each binomial equal to 0, and then you are going to solve. So let us get started with example 1. So we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So you're going to set it up 2, 7, 3. Multiplying a and c together, which gives you 6, and then you're looking for two things that multiply to give you 6 and add to give you 7, which give you 1 and 6, both being positive. Put over 2x. This first one does not need to reduce. The second one does need to reduce. So I divide by 2, and I get 3 over x. Therefore, my binomials are 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. So this was like the first part of section 10.6. Today we set each binomial equal to 0 and we solve. So we get 2x plus 1 equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 1. 2x equals negative 1. X equals negative 1/2, and subtract 3, x equals negative 3. With these types of problems, now that they're a little bit more complicated, you are going to get a lot more fraction answers. So just to clarify, that's negative 1/2 there. All right, let's try another one. 4x squared minus 16x plus 15. So we have 4, negative 16, 15. 4 times 15 gives me 60. So again, looking for two numbers that multiply to be 60, add to be 16. Sorry, negative 16. So if you have a negative number here but a positive number here, that should be your hint that they both actually have to be negative. So it winds up being negative 10 and negative 6. So put those both under 4x. And again, both of these have to reduce. You can't leave this 4x minus 6 and 4x minus 10. You will not get the right answer. So you have to divide by 2. Divide by 2, and you get negative 3 over 2x. And then same with this, divide by 2, and you get negative 5 over 2x. So you are left with 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 3. Set each equal to 0. And solve. So x equals 5 over 2, and (3 over 2). All right, that is today's lesson. Your homework is in Google Classroom.